Guys, it's your boy VKFX and I'm live here with you guys with another video to show you my Monday market analysis, what I'll be looking to do for this week on the chart. So I'd say like now it has been past a week now since I've posted anything on this channel. So sorry guys, like I've been off for this while, like just trying to be active, but now I'm very active. Anything I'll be seeing on the charts, any educational content that I'll be seeing that will be useful to you guys, I'll be sending it to this channel. And anything that I'll be seeing that is new to the charts, new to forex industry, don't worry, I'll be updating you guys on this channel. So please guys, if you are just seeing me for the first time, I would like you to just hit that like button and the subscribe button. That will be helpful to me to be able to give me motivation to come back here to come and give you guys more content. Assuming you guys have already subscribed or liked, I will have not left that 1 week. I will have post. Sorry, but I'll just like you guys, please, I'll be begging you guys, if you're seeing my video for the first time or you are just seeing it or you have seen me before, like this video and subscribe. If you like this video, they will recommend it to other people to watch. So please support your boy, support me. So now I'll be analyzing the chart for you guys. The pairs I'll be analyzing XAUSD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, and either Euro JPY or also if time has not gone. So I don't really want to exceed the 16 minutes on this video. So now on XAUSD, as you guys can see, we have been on an uptrend. Like XAUSD have been buying, but for the past 1 week now, XAUSD have been trending down, like just a minor little trend down, back to the downside. And normally if we're having a trend, like if a trend is either downtrend or uptrend, it's like now uptrend, price must have to retrace first before it move back to its position. As you can see now, price uptrend, retracement, push back up, retracement, push back up. So this one that is happening here is retracement. So last week was just retracement week for XAUSD. So now for this week, what I'll be expecting XAUSD to now start to buy, like to start buying massively. I'll be expecting your XAUSD code. I'll be expecting to be moving to the normal trend now. So what you guys should be looking to do, looking to capitalize on the buy setup, because if you are going to catch this buy setup, it will be sweet for you and you'll be able to make money from this trend. So now let's mark out our support and resistance. And if you have not watched my video on support and resistance, you can just go to my videos. You see it, I've already made a video on support and resistance. And maybe I'll if I'm in a good mood, I might be able to release another one. So if you need another one, you can just comment, please boss, we need another one, that one. No. Don't worry, if you need another one, I'll be able to release it for you guys. So now for XAUSD, this has been support, price has tested, and this is the resistance for the daily time frame. Price didn't push above that side, so that's the resistance for the daily time frame. So now let's go to the 4 hours time frame. The 4 hours. The 4 hours. So I've had my analysis since last night, yesterday night. Immediately price opened, like I've already analyzed the charts for you guys. So for yesterday night, I had this trend line that was trending down, but I was not looking to sell. I was expecting the price to break above the trend line. As you can see, our price has broken above it already. What I was expecting for XAUSD is for price was actually, let's say price was around this stage yesterday, let's say here. So I was expecting XAUSD to break above. Once it break above, come for the retest. Once it come for the retest, boom, push back up to the upside. But now, as you can see, price is already expecting our setup. But now, as you can see, I'm already seeing another trend line, another easy trend line. And again, let me explain this for you guys. If you want to draw a trend line, you must have to have at least 2 lows or 2 highs for you to draw a trend line. 2 lows or 2 highs for you to draw a trend line. That's simple. So now let me explain what I said. As you can see, this is a downtrend. So we have to be doing with the highs. We have to do with the highs. But if it's with the uptrend, we have to do with the lows. So now this is a downtrend. So this has been the high price has gone to. This is like the lower let me see, lower high. Yes, price has been trending down. So let's say this has been lower high, price push back down. Let's see, price push back down to this side. Now this has been the highest high price has gone to. So has been the highest. Like after that push down, this is the second retracement. So after this retracement, price start pushing back down, and as you can see, I have my trend line connecting. So these are the two highs I have there. Let me have stake them for you guys. This is the first touch, as you can see. Sorry. That's the first touch. Then the second touch. Let me show you. I'm just trying to show you guys the second touch. Clone. So this is the second touch of the trend line around this place. If you go to the lower time frame, you will see what I'm talking about. If you go to the lower time frame, you will see the touch I'm talking about. So these are the two touches of this trend line. So let me delete them. That's just simple. So that's for the low, this for the downtrend. So now let me show you for the uptrend. For the uptrend now, you have to do with two lows. You must have to have at least two lows. If you cannot see two lows or two highs, don't connect a trend line. That's not a trend line setup. If you don't see those two things. So now for the buy trend line, as you can see, this has been the lowest low price has ever gone to for the past 1 week now. And after this price pushed back up. So now this is a lower high, abi? Yes, this is a lower high. So now let's connect this. Hope I'm correct. Lower high. Yes. So now this downtrend trend line now is no more useful for us. We don't need to use it again. So I'll just have to delete it. So now what I'll just be looking to do on XAUSD, it's just simple. I'll be waiting for price to come back, to push back down to this our trend line. If price gets there, if price has gotten there, is it that price give us a double bottom chart pattern, or it gives us a candlestick that can be able to push the price back up? And if we have seen those confirmations, just know that XAUSD is about to boom to the upside. Like XAUSD is about to buy, very buy. So now let's go to the lower time frame, to the 1 hour time frame. If you can see another confluence with the trade, if you can see another one. For now, let's see. I'm seeing a support here. Seeing a support here, guys. A support zone here. So it still does the same thing. Either price might come back to this support and give us the chart pattern, or price push below the support here. It will now come to this trend line support. If it gives us a double bottom or the chart candlestick pattern, then we'll be buying to the upside. Just go to your trading view and mark this out that I've done for you guys. Just go to your trading view and mark this out. So now let's go to GBPUSD. For like last week, GBPUSD fucked up. Like it has been beating me. Like, and the reason why I've been having loss on GBPUSD is because price has not given us a decisive move. It has just been ranging from up to the downside. As you can see from here, price pushed back up, come down, push back up, come down. So, and my setups are always valid when the charts are trending. So now let me delete this for you guys, so that you guys can be able to understand how I analyze the charts. So as you can see, for GBPUSD2, we are on the buy trend. But for now, GBPUSD is at a resistance zone. And which is this? So another resistance, as you guys can see, we have something like double top at that resistance there. See, first touch, second touch. So that's something like, you should be careful with this GBPUSD for this week. price might move crazily this week, so just be careful. And we have a support here. So that's the support and resistance for the higher time frame. So now let's go to the 4 hours time frame for more conference, for more stuff, more. So now for GBP I'll be very patient with this player. I don't want to do too much on this player. What I'll be looking for GBP to do is for price, but I'm still expecting GBP to buy. I'm not expecting it to sell. I'm expecting it to buy, but before it buy, it must push back down to this support. Then after that support, give us a good chart pattern. Sorry guys. If it has gone to that support, give us good chart pattern. Then after that good chart pattern, then price should be pushing back up. W pattern. If it has given us W pattern, we should expect the price to buy. But if it does not give us the W pattern, you can use your candlestick confirmation. But I don't really trust candlesticks, because for candlesticks, if you see a candlestick, that candlestick is just telling you that the next 3 to 4 candles that will be forming after it will be that trend, it will be that candlestick formation. Like now, if you see an hammer, candlestick on this support that we have here, so you should just be expecting like the next 4 to 3 candlestick, you should just be expecting it to form as a buy setup, just as the way my mentor said that before. Shout out to him. He has been my mentor for ever since I've started forex trading, so shout out to him. So that's just it. So I don't really trust candlesticks, but candlesticks sometimes work. It works, but I don't really trust them. And you can see we have a support here too. So there's anyone price might respect anyone, but and again, as you can see on this support, we have something like a triple touch. I will have something like triple bottom on it. So price might reject from this side back up, but I'm doubting it. I'm expecting price to come back this main support and push back up. So there's not really much that I'll be looking to do on GBP. So now let's go to GBP JPY. After GBP JPY, then we go. As you can see on GBP JPY, this was a trend line setup too. So I will not be analyzing, guys. You guys can see it. As you can see, the trend line setup, immediately price broke below this trend line. Immediately price broke below it. You can see that price now has been pushing back down. But I was really expecting GBP to come back to the trend line support. It should come back to it and retest. But see what it did. It respected the resistance that it has created before. So it respected that resistance, retest it. As you can see, this candlestick that formed this shooting star candlestick, and after this one, price boom back down to the downside. That's all simple. So just take note. If you see something like this next time, you should be able to capitalize on it. So now let's go to Euro JPY. So now let me go to the daily time frame to analyze for you guys from the higher time frame. So let me just say, for Euro JPY, you should be expecting buys. Because of this. You can see this daily time frame, this bullish engulfing, and you know the higher the time frame, the stronger the setup. Like if price gives you a setup from the higher time frame, just know that that's a strong one. As you can see, that this is a bullish engulfing candlestick, so we should be expecting buys on GBP JPY. But as for now, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Let's mark out our support. This is a support. This is a support. Price broke below it, then retested and start pushing back down. So you can see, let's say we have minor bearish trend, not too much, just minor. So, and I can see a trend line set up. As you can see, if you go to the 15 minute, you might not think that these are lows, these are high highs, but if you go to the 15-minute time frame, you will see what I'm seeing on those charts. You see, this one has been the highest high, then price came back, gave us a lower high. So that's just it. So what I'll be expecting for GBP JPY now, I'll be expecting it to push back up. I'll be expecting it to push back up, to come back to this trend line. If it gives us a double top on that trend line, we should be expecting JPY to sell. But if it does not give us any chart pattern that should be selling this trade, don't take it, because price might push above. If it has pushed above, then you should, price might retest the trend line. If it have retested it, then it should be pushing back up to the upside. Price might retest, push back up. That's it. So you guys just have your good confirmations for you to be able to enter trade. If you don't have confirmations, you will just be doing rubbish on the chart. You'll be gambling. So these are what I'll be looking to do for the week. So I've disclosed them to you guys, and I have a Telegram channel where I send my market analysis, my trade idea, I send signals to, and I give them motivations on not to give up. Like, we don't give up in our Telegram channel. So I'll be recommending the channel for you guys. The link will be in the description box, so you guys just go there, tap the link and join us and make money with us. When I make money, you guys make money. When I lose, you guys lose too. That's just it, simple fact. So please guys, like, subscribe, and don't forget to share this channel to any of your friends for them to be able to learn from this content I've dropped to you guys. So see you in the next video. Peace out.